I have a friend downtown, so I can stay with her. I don't feel safe here anymore.
Hello. Every time he calls, the same music plays.
Evergreen Academy. Have you ever heard of that?
It's a prep school I went to.
This is so weird. I can't find anything. Now here's something. Who's Edwina Burke?
If she was the headmistress, she might know something. I used to drink. A lot.
Yeah, well, I used to drink, and I also did a shitload of other stuff, but... Tonight was the first time that I wanted to use again. I'm glad you're here.